Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some ideas on wooden shelving units. Wooden shelving units are a timeless and versatile addition to any home or an office. With their natural beauty and durability, they provide an excellent solution for organizing and displaying various items while adding a touch of warmth and sophistication to the decor. One of the key advantages of wooden shelving units is their aesthetic appeal. The rich textures and grains of different wood types such as oak, mahogany or pine lend a sense of elegance and charm to any room. Whether you prefer a classic or contemporary style, wooden shelving units can be customized to match your personal taste and interior design. In terms of functionality, wooden shelving units offer a wide range of options. They come in various sizes and configurations, including wall-mounted shelves, freestanding units, or modular systems that can be arranged to fit specific spaces. This versatility allows you to optimize the storage capacity of your room while maximizing floor space. From books and decorative items to collectibles and kitchenware, wooden shelving provides reliable and attractive solution for displaying and organizing your belongings. Another advantage of wooden shelving units is their durability. When properly cared for, wooden shelves can last for years, making them a cost-effective investment. Their natural strength of wood ensures that these units can bear heavy loads without warping or bending. Moreover, with occasional maintenance and refinishing, they can regain their original luster, ensuring their longevity and timeless appeal. Wooden shelving units also offer the advantage of being environmentally friendly. Wood is a renewable resource, and when sourced responsibly, its use contributes to sustainable practices. Choosing wooden shelving units over synthetic alternatives helps reduce the carbon footprint and supports a greener lifestyle. In addition to their functionality and durability, wooden shelving units are highly customizable. They can be stained or painted in a variety of colors to complement existing decor or create a focal point within a room. You can also add decorative elements such as ornate carvings, molding, or brass accents to enhance the visual appeal and create a personalized touch. Wooden shelving units can adapt to different rooms and purposes. In the living room, they can showcase your book collection or display cherished family photos and artwork. In a kitchen, wooden shelves provide a practical storage solution for cookbooks, dishes, and small appliances. They can also be used in bedrooms, bathrooms, or home offices to keep personal belongings organized and easily accessible. Maintenance of wooden shelving units is relatively simple. Regular dusting and occasional polishing help maintain their appearance and prevent the accumulation of dirt and grime. It is important to avoid exposing wooden shelves to excessive moisture or direct sunlight to prevent fading or warping. With proper care, wooden shelving units can maintain their beauty and functionality for years to come. Wooden shelving units offer a combination of timeless beauty, functionality, and durability. Their versatility allows them to adapt to various rooms and purposes while enhancing the overall aesthetic of your space. With their eco-friendly nature and the ability to be customized, wooden shelving units are an excellent choice for those seeking practical and visually appealing storage solutions.